gonna be making slime by our own self. Because I know how to make slime and my brothers don't know how. So today I'm gonna be teaching how my brothers to make slime. Okay, first we're gonna pour in our glue. Mix, mommy, look, it's turning. No, wait, hold on. Carl, look, it's... No, you're supposed to put in glitter. Let's put in glitter next. Okay, guys, now it's time to choose our glitter. So, Layson, you go first. He's going to choose gold. I'm going to choose gray. So, Kaysen, I'm going to put in blue for him. Okay, she wants this one? Mm-hmm. Okay, he wants this blue one, so I'm gonna add in a little. Mom, can you help me? A
little glittery.
What? Mine is gonna be glittery and glow in the dark. And Layson's. Kaysen's going to be clear because he chooses.
Stuck to my finger.
Oops. This is so awesome. Follow me to the bathroom, and then my slime will glow in the dark. It glows in the dark.
I want to see if mine's going to do it.
Oh, mine and my brother's slime glows in the dark. Mine and the one that's stretching out is my hands. And the one that's in a big pile is my brother's. Well, he has the green one and I have
Green slime.
Thank you for watching the 5